Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. You are wondering why, in spite of having everyday practice of Ho'oponopono, results are not happening in your life. The particular things you want in your life to be happen, but it is not happening, it is not coming. Maybe in your health, in your wealth, or in your relationships, any particular result. Yes, got you. Today, in this video, dear friend, I will help you to understand where you are missing. भूल कहाँ आपके आपसे हो रहे हैं. Yes, actually, all the things are happening in our life is all because of unconscious old memories, those we are carrying unknowingly in our subconscious mind, right? And all the positive, negative, good, bad, anything, any kind of health challenge, any kind of relationship issues, any kind of career and money problems, everything are the consequences. But the real root cause are all the negative emotions, those we are carrying unconsciously. Now, Ho'oponopono is a pure cleansing process. As much as you practice, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. The four powerful statements are impacting all the cells of your body, and all the cells of your body are transforming into a positive one, which is radiating the positive vibes every moment. Dear, Ho'oponopono is not an attraction process. It is a cleansing tool. So, whenever you are practicing Ho'oponopono, thinking in your mind कि ओके चलो इसको कर लेते हैं, अगर हम ठीक तरह से अभी Ho'oponopono कर लेंगे, so I will get that thing, I will have this thing, चलो जल्दी जल्दी इसको कर लेते हैं. At that point, just think, sometimes desperation is there. For example, you are a salesperson and you want a particular sale, you want a particular turnover in your business. Now, the deadline has came already. Just imagine the deadline of your target is already came. But आप आपके टारगेट से बहुत दूर है अभी, एंड यू नो दैट कि ये आपको जैसे भी करके अचीव करनी है, एंड यू नो द होपोनोपोनो प्रोसेस आल्सो, एंड यू आर थिंकिंग कि चलो होपोनोपोनो कर लेते हैं, इससे मेरा ये टारगेट अचीव हो जाएगा. डियर, ऐसा नहीं होगा, बिकॉज you are doing that Ho'oponopono with a sense of desperation, with the feeling of desperation. And जहाँ desperation है, वहाँ creativity नहीं आते हैं. So dear, just heal your desperation. You have to do Ho'oponopono without having any intention in your mind. इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब it is very simple. All are happening. All the goals and dreams you are still not having in your life. It means you are not manifesting all your dreams and goals जो आपकी जिंदगी में अभी तक आ जाना चाहिए था, वो नहीं आया है, because all the negative emotions, negative beliefs, negative feelings are holding you back. So अगर उसको पाना है, let's clear the unconscious blockages those you are carrying. Let's clear the unconscious chains, those जो आपको बांध के रखे हैं, जो आपको आगे नहीं बढ़ने दे रहे हैं. So without having any intention, just do Ho'oponopono. कैसे करना है? चलिए मेरे साथ जल्दी जल्दी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. Take your right hand on your heart and say to yourself, I take 100% responsibility of this situation I am experiencing in my life. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I take 100% responsibility. Whatever challenging moments I am experiencing in my life, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I take 100% responsibility for all this emotional discomfort I am experiencing now. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Just take responsibility and do, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you without any intention. How many times? 108 times. So just do that. See the magic. I am waiting for you. And I am Arpita Bhattacharya, a emotional freedom coach, helping lot of people to recreate their life, helping lot of people to release themselves with to release themselves from all the unconscious wounds they are carrying unconsciously in their subconscious mind. I am helping every individuals to live a life, a guilt-free life, a worthy life. I am helping people to live a life of significance with the full emotional freedom. So, if you like the video, just share with your 3 friends and just practice it for next 7 days without having any intention. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you 108 times. Just do that, see the magic, and comment, give your valuable comment in the comment box. See how you are feeling after doing that. And yes, just press the bell icon to get the notification for my next video and subscribe my channel. Oh, or yes, if you want to be the part of this wonderful magical healing sessions that is happening every day, it is a 30 minutes magical healing session we practice together in our community, that is Emotional Freedom Society, and you want to be the part of that community and experience this wonderful feeling of the unconscious wounds healing, unconscious memories healing. So kindly ये ग्रुप में ये जो ग्रुप लिंक दिया हुआ है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स पे, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप लिंक, इसको क्लिक करके ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. See you in there for your deep healing. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.